Save, invest, and good health this year 2025. Yes, friends, yan yung gawin ninyo para maging successful in life. Alright? Unang-una, save tayo. For example, 30,000 yung monthly basic salary ninyo. At least 10% to 20% ang isave nyo monthly, okay na po yan. So magkano yung 10% ng 30,000? 300. Or 20% ng 30,000, 600 a month. Yan yung isave ninyo, friends. So start kayo from January, this month, up to December. After makasave tayo this year, i-invest natin yan. So, I suggest, start a small business para may passive income tayo. For example, tables and chairs rental. Yan, maganda yan na business, small business. Konti lang yung starting capital niyan. Yan din yung small business ko ngayon. Opo, friends, meron akong tables and chairs rental. Actually, more than 10 years na po yan. And I receive passive income monthly. And lastly, good health po. So, kailangan eat less, exercise more. So, be mindful of what you eat, control your rice, tsaka pork. So, focus on eating gulay, less rice, fruits, and of course, exercise kayo. Walking or jogging for 30 to 1 hour every day, pwede na po yan. Ayan, mahirap magkasakit ngayon, friends, kasi magastos. Mas mabuti kung good health tayo para long life din. And ma-enjoy natin yung mga retirement benefits natin at age 60, right? So, thank you for watching, friends. Again, save, invest, and good health this year 2025. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.